it's finally snowing. I actually got some snow on the ground today. Seeing the dog's prints in the snow. Yeah. We're not going to get my 3 feet I wanted. You know, that sucks. But, you know, whatever. At least we're getting snow here in the Seattle area. Yeah. Hopefully. Hopefully, we will get some decent snow before this is all over. We had woke up this morning. There's probably about a centimeter on the ground, and it melted away. And now it started back up. Let's see. Current temperature is 34. Yep, current temperature is 34. Very, very nice. Yeah. Love the snow. Come on, JT. Alright guys, the first snow of the season. We're starting to actually get some real snow here, as you can see in the picture here. I'm down in the valley, which really does not have much snowpack yet. In fact, you can see it's actually just kind of a slush here, really. Let's see, no, you can't really tell, it's too dark over there. But mainly just slush. We're supposed to get approximately 8 inches today. Power went out in my house this morning about 3:30 a.m. So I'm down here at work about 4:30 a.m. trying to get inside so I can keep my ass warm along with my dog here that's outside playing. You can hear my truck out in the background idling, getting warmed up in this nice cold ass weather. So, yep, Seattle's finally getting some real snow this year. Alright guys, this is the ice storm following our winter storm when we got 10 inches of snow, at least for the northwest area anyway. Right now we're still currently having freezing rain, and this is, look at what it does. Thankfully, for us, it did not come all the way through the house or anything like that, just the top of it got knocked off. But as you can see, the other trees over there quite nicely, as you can see there. We might have some more tree breakage here. Let's see if we can get a shot over here. Yeah, he's still leaning towards our house. And we got some tree breakage over here. We did have a tree on the other side of our house hit us, but it was only scraping with the branches and whatnot, so we're good there. The neighbors' kids got out their chainsaws and whatnot to play in the snow and ice and lop off a leg or two. It sounds like they're done though, because I don't hear any more sirens go, so maybe they're on the way to the hospital. Who knows? Alright, but there you go. There's a picture of some northwest damage in a ice storm. Oh, and by the way, our power has been out for the last 8 hours or so. Yeah, so this has been real fun. But no worries, I have a camping trailer and a generator, so I'm nice and toasty warm in the trailer. Alright, we've turned the snow to freezing rain, and this is some of the action we're getting. Ain't that beautiful right there? Ain't that nice? Here's some more pop in the background. Here's a picture of our tree standing tall for now. Alright guys, here's a picture of my truck with the snow ice accumulated on it. You can see some of the nice ice has even built up on my tire. Check that out, yeah. And of course on the mirrors here. And across my running boards. Check that out. See how covered in ice my rig is. Has some nice icicles hanging down here. Very nice, ain't it? Oh, check out the antenna. And there's my little itty bitty ice scraper. I think I got some work ahead of me. What do you think? And here's the front where my headlights. There's my grill for my radiator. Check that out. Other light. Some more ice. Yep. Look at that. Ain't she pretty? With all that ice on there. For those of you who have never been in an ice storm, I'm wondering how much to clean off your vehicle? This much. All of it. You gotta get all the ice off. Anything that can be a projectile go through somebody's windshield. If it's soft and fluffy, you really don't have to worry about it. But since how this was an ice storm, any ice at the right velocity can go through somebody's windshield, hit them in the head, in the eye, or whatever, and cause great damage to a human person or even a car. In some states, it is also a law requiring to remove all snow. Of course, you know, while you're driving or whatever and you have buildup, there's really not too much you can do about that. But before you leave your house, this is what your vehicle should look like. All the ice, as much as possible, gone. And that is for you people who have not been in an ice storm wondering, and for you who have been in many ice storms but still have yet to clean off your vehicles because you're too damn lazy. You can see the power lines here, still knocked down, going through the trees there. Yeah, we got our ass kicked this storm. And laying down to the ground right there in that poor bastard's driveway. Some more tree limb breakage right there. Old bastard still hasn't gotten his power back on. The rest of us sitting around him has. Let's see here. There we go. There's some power lines. The ground line there going up through the trees. Oh yeah. Gotta love that. Do not cross. Got a little itty bitty barricade by the guy here saying stay out. I got some decent tray breakage here. Got some limbs, decent size, hanging over that guy's driveway. So where he cut off one of them, so you get through there. It looks like with this car. Not too much here to see. Let's see what else we can get. We got a little something up there. Not too much. Here's some more tree falling damage. You can see the tree leaning up against the power line over there. I have debris in the road right there. You can see I got the street blocked off down here. And here's the barricade blocking the street off here. So I don't know if you can see way down there, but there's some more barricades and whatnot. Then you got trees hanging right off the power on that over there. Yeah, what a great day.